10 things to do before 2023 is over. Finish the year on a high note by picking up some good habits that will stick with you into 2024 and beyond. Before the new year, things can get pretty hectic. It's common to forget about your healthy routines, hobbies, and goals during this busy time. But with a bit of effort and focus, you can turn this period into a stepping stone for an awesome year ahead. You don't want to miss number 10, so watch this video till the end. I'm Darius. If you have not already, subscribe to our channel, where we help you make sense of your money. To get ready for a successful 2024, try out these enjoyable and practical activities before 2023 wraps up. 1. Make sure you get enough sleep. A good night's sleep makes your brain more flexible, creative, and strong. Research proves that getting the right amount of rest each night is super important for keeping your brain healthy and avoiding memory problems. If going to bed on time is tough for you, try having a routine without screens before bedtime. It's a perfect opportunity to read, solve a crossword puzzle, or do some gentle stretching. And if pain is keeping you awake, find the comfiest way to sleep. Sleep well, and keep your brain in top shape. 2. Pay attention to what you eat. It really matters. You don't have to go on a strict diet, but being mindful about your food choices can make a big difference. Try to savor your meals and pay attention to how full you feel. Want to step it up? Think about adding more organic fruits and veggies to your plate. Check out local farmers markets or organic grocery stores, and enjoy experimenting with high-quality ingredients in your favorite recipes, or trying new foods. It's a healthy adventure. 3. Give meditation a shot. Now's the perfect time to dive into meditation, something you might have been curious about. Starting a new habit is easier when you keep it simple. Forget about fancy tools or special knowledge. Just find a comfy spot, close your eyes, and try to focus on your breathing for just 1 minute. If you can do it today, you can do it tomorrow, and maybe even extend it to 2 minutes next week. And here's a tip. Many people stay motivated by joining group meditation sessions. Give it a try. 4. Create a vision board to turn your dreams into reality. A vision board is like a visual roadmap of your dreams and goals. It's not just a craft project, it's a cool way to think about what success means to you. Making a vision board is like setting intentions for your future, and it's fun too. Before the year ends, find out how to make one with your hands or online. It's a great way to picture how you want your 2024 to be awesome. 5. Take a stroll for better health. Walking isn't just about moving your legs, it's like a magic potion for your body. It boosts your heart health, makes you feel happier, and even helps with things like stopping those annoying food cravings, and easing joint pain. Thinking about starting this healthy habit? Don't worry about going big right away. Begin with a chill walk in the nearby park, or just around your block. It's like giving a little gift to your body every day. 6. Make space for socializing. Create room for hanging out with friends and family. Set aside time to connect with others and enjoy each other's company. Whether it's grabbing a coffee, having a picnic, or just chatting, giving space for socializing adds joy to your life. It's like planting seeds of happiness in your day, and watching those moments grow into beautiful memories. So, clear a spot in your schedule, invite some pals, and let the good times roll. 7. Get creative. Get your creative juices flowing by unleashing your inner creativity. No matter your artistic skills. The goal isn't to create a masterpiece, it's about diving into mindfulness. Imagine crafting a unique meal, experimenting with vibrant colors in your garden, or even doodling on a notepad. The magic lies in the process, not the outcome. Embrace the joy of being in the moment, free from judgment. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a novice, let your imagination run wild. Creativity is your passport to mindfulness, no expertise required. 8. Create your own hit list of favorites from 2023. Think about what rocked your world this year, pick your top 10 movies, albums, restaurants, parties, or anything else that made your heart race. This isn't just a trip down memory lane, it's your personal spotlight on the best of the best. Find out what truly tickled your fancy in 2023, unlocking the secret sauce to your happiness. Plus, it's like a roadmap for an even more you 2024, a year that mirrors your unique style and preferences. Dive into this fun exercise, and let the rhythm of your passions guide you to an even more unforgettable future. 9. Plan for 2024. Get ready to crush 2024 with a killer plan. Forget the usual resolution, try something fresh. Choose a power word, like ignite or unleash, to steer your year. No need for rigid rules, it's all about your vibe. And here's the magic, start your own meetup crew. Build a squad that cheers you on, and rocks those 2024 dreams together. It's the secret sauce to hit those goals. Skip the complicated, embrace the simple, and let 2024 be your year of awesome transformations. 10. Review your finances. Before 2023 wraps up, take a deep dive into your finances. Review your spending habits, evaluate your savings, and set clear financial goals for the upcoming year. Craft a realistic budget that aligns with your aspirations, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a big purchase, or investing for the future. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses and redirect funds towards your priorities. This financial checkup not only ensures a stable start to 2024, but also empowers you with a strategic approach to managing your money. Take control of your financial future, and pave the way for a more secure and prosperous year ahead. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year!